Emotions ran high as an early morning fire badly damaged a fourplex near Blackfriars Bridge. At one point, firefighters had to break up a scuffle between one resident and relatives of a woman who also lived there.
The fire did start in one of the lower units on the north side of the building. The fire had already traveled from the lower units up the back of the house into the attic of it. The first crews on scene made an aggressive attack, and for their efforts in that, were able to save the unit from traveling extensively to the other side.
The 911 call was received just before 9 a.m. on this quiet, dead-end street. Firefighters say the fact that smoke alarms were working in the home saved lives.
It could have been a lot worse had the tenants not heard the smoke alarms and given them early warning. So this is another example of why smoke alarms save lives.
The fourplex was home to 7 people, none of whom were injured. For firefighters, putting out a fire in a home with multiple units presents challenges.
When you have different units with different entrances, it makes it difficult to find exactly how to get in to make an aggressive interior attack.
Residents and family members sorted through whatever possessions they were able to save from the fire. One woman was relieved that firefighters were able to save photo albums that she wanted to take to her father's funeral. There is no estimate of damage. The fire marshal has been called in to investigate. For the London Free Press, I'm Kate Dubinsky.